The first thing that I'm going to do in trying to simplify this expression is to look at each of the terms and figure out if I can squish it down at all. So first we have 15x squared. There's nothing that I can do to make that more simple on its own, so I'm just going to rewrite it. Then 3x to the 7th, same thing. Then I come to negative 7x times 2x. Now there are definitely some factors here that I can combine. If I rearrange the order of these things, I can put negative 7 and 2 next to each other, and then the x's at the end. Negative 7 times 2 is negative 14, so I'll have a coefficient of negative 14. And then we have times x times x. We know that x times x is just x to the second power, so I can write that as well. Moving on, we have negative 4 times 2x. We can again combine the constant factors. So we have minus 8x. Negative 5 times 4 is 20, so we have negative 20, plus x times 3. We can just rearrange the order of those two, and then we have 3 times x, which is just 3x, so plus 3x. Great! Now each of the terms in and of itself is as simplified as it can get. The next step is to figure out which terms are like terms. I'm also going to already start writing like terms next to each other in a modified version of the equation. We have 2x squared terms, only one x to the 7th term, 2x to the first terms, and one constant term. Now I just need to combine the terms that I know are like terms. Remember that we add the coefficients of like terms together and then multiply by the variable. 15 minus 14 is 1, so we have 1 times x squared, or just x squared. 3x to the 7th is on its own. It's not combined with anything else. Negative 8 plus 3 is negative 5 times the variable x, and then we have our constant term. So this right here is our final answer. Our long, not very pretty expression has been squished down to be something much more manageable.